quick stop here, picking up some barbecue before we head to our seat. I think we got some pretty good seats considering last minute tickets. Good price too. The Cowboys are on the field. Falcons are wearing black today. It's gonna be on today. We're at the coin toss. Falcons opted to receive. It's about to go. Let's go. It was a big C-130. I don't know the name of the airplane. Flew right over, man. It was real close. It was cool. Let's go! Come on, man. Man, that was too scary right there. Pick 6 almost on the first play. All right, first possession for the Falcons. Nothing. We got 2 first downs. Then we ended up around midfield, had to punt it. So here come the Cowboys. All right, another 3rd down coming up. Cowboys are in the red zone. Oh no! I can't believe he caught that, man. Let's go, D! Yeah! End of the first quarter. Falcons moving the chains, win the red zone. But we gotta convert now. That's it. 4th and 4. No touchdown. Try to tie it up there with a field goal. This halftime, 6-3, Falcons are up. Kind of a boring game, to be honest with you. Can't get the touchdown. And but the good thing is we're not letting Dallas do much either. So as far as entertainment, it's not that hasn't been that much of an exciting game. All right, second half's underway. Cowboys are rolling right now, moving the chains. Hopefully we can make a stop here. Came upstairs to get some fries right quick. We're still in the game though. We got plenty of time. We're only down to 1st down. So we're gonna get some fries and head back down. Defense need to hold them right now, and then we get the ball back. Let's tie this game back up. We did manage to get the ball back. We held them. It's 39, 3 minutes left. Let's go! Touchdown, baby. Keep it alive. There you go, baby. There you go. Yo! 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 Give me some! Yeah! made it back home, huh? Mission accomplished, huh, son? Somebody will take that L.